Hey mate, how's it going? I got my Dyson over here, but I'm getting a second one now. I'm getting an AB01, an Irish AB01. It's been stored in Ireland, in Belfast. I'm going to be doing an unboxing very soon on the AB01 once it comes to my house. Ow. Well, she got caught in the attachment box on that Hoover. As I'll count how many Dysons I have. Got one, soon gonna be two now. 3. Down there, 4. In my dad's car, 5. Which is the V7 trigger. I got like 5 things out of Dyson in this house. I don't know if I'm gonna be all Dysoned out in a minute. Also, I think someone installed a heater into this AB14 because the air is blowing like warm. Like the air's actually been blowing warm. I think someone might have either installed a heater or maybe Dyson finally decided to install a heater onto this thing. As I go through a bit of damages on it. There's a bit of scuffing there, that should just come clean off, but down there, if you can see, there's a crack. Quite a bad crack. I shouldn't really affect the machine too much, there's a bit of bent metal there. Yeah, it's just back behind the scenes, my dad's hardwired it. I'm going to hardwire the AB01 now. Once it comes. If I can get down. If I can get down here, you can probably see the model number of those probably in the back. Yeah, it's been covered by one of the bars. But this is an AB14, the true one. So I got the Dyson off my shoe rack. There's a model number there. Focus. Yeah, this is an AB14. And now I'm going to get an ABR1 for this collection. Go back there. Yeah, I'm just going to have to wait for the ABR1 to, get delivered to my house. From Parcel Force. I'll see you in the next video.